Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is IT Smart. In this video I'm going to be sharing a presentation and how to apply the different key terminologies on a presentation. Whether you are a learner or you're looking to brush your computer skills, this video will enable you to create a presentation at any time and very easily. Let's get started. Personally, I had created my presentation. As you can see, this is a presentation, so we're going to apply the different terminologies in this presentation. So with a presentation, you can change the color, you can change the color of your word. See, you can highlight, then change the color. You can change the color, you can change the background and everything. As you can see, with the presentation, you can change the color, you can insert pictures, you can just making the document, the presentation look good. So you can select any background that you want. Let me say this is a very good background. I can take that background, and you see it applies to all, making the document look good. So from here we can also apply our animations. Remember, animations are applied to just a specific text. So we can go here to animations, and from animations we can apply any animation that we want, split, wipe, whatever. So let's take this. Yes. Then for this one, you just keep playing around. You can just keep applying different transitions onto different texts. It's a wheel. So we can take this, and you can work. From here you can also put another that you want from here. So with PowerPoint, it's just a matter of creativity. You have to be creative. If you're really creative, you are good to go. So do the same for the second. So you just select any animation that you want. Just make your presentation look good. Yeah, so I remember telling you guys that with the transitions, if you want to apply transitions are like an exchange. It occurs when you exchange it, you're going to the next page. So for here, and take any transition that we want. There is that. Then here you can select a flip, just selecting anything, making your work look good. And for the next, you can do anything. Yeah, so with PowerPoint you can even increase the timing, you can increase the sound, you can apply it all, and yeah, everything will be good to go. So with the PowerPoint you can also change. If you're dealing with background, you can go to format a background. If you want it to be in a gradient field, solid field, picture, texture, it brings everything. You can even choose a color from here. You change the color, the background, everything, the pattern, the fill, and everything. So let's go to our slideshow review from here down, and then we see what we have done. Can leave it to mouse click. Yes. Yeah. So you see how our effects are showing here in our presentation. So with presentations, as I can say, is you have to be creative. You just explore the different terminologies. We have different colors, solid background, pictures, words, and you should just be brief when you're typing your words. Insert pictures in case of anything, just to make your work look good. So that was what I had for you today. Till the next video. If you happen to learn something, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button in case you don't want to miss out on any content. Till next time.